Hi and welcome back. Today I'm sharing another collage page. It's a quick one this time, and I'm using the same papers that I've used last week in my video, and I'm working in the Action sketch pad. That's a super cheap paper pad from the Action store, and I like to use this as a little collage journal. I really love playing in this journal as I don't have the feeling to be able to ruin anything, and I just can explore and glue down papers and see which color combos I like, or maybe which composition looks good. I'm explaining everything about the papers in the video from last Saturday, so maybe you want to check that out first. They are not special, just some stamped or colored papers. Also here I'm using the Tombow glue stick to adhere my papers because I don't want to be the process very long and I don't want to have any drying time. Also, the paper is not perfect for a wet medium such as gel medium. I usually need some time until I'm happy with the papers and how they are laying. If I'm not sure if I like a composition, I try out different ones and take photos in between so I can flip through the photos and have a look what I like the best. I really like the page, but I think there is something of kind of an empty space or white space missing. So I am going to add a little bit of a white gesso to this page to just, I would say, break up that colorful background and give it a little bit more definition. I'm going to let the gesso dry completely, and then I come back to do some stamping on the page and create a little bit of texture. I'm using some of the brand new clear stamps we have just released. I talked about that in my last 2 videos, so I think it's not necessary to explain again why we add clear stamps to our rubber stamps collection. I'm using inks that are matching the colors I have already on the background, and here I just used a piece of scrap paper to mask off the bottom of my page, because I don't want to have the border all over the page. You usually don't see me cleaning any stamps, but with those clear stamps I do it. I usually use a baby wipe or just a wet wipe to remove the ink. The borders I'm using here are from the Mixed Media Borders stamp set, and they are a combination of all the grungy borders and some of the doodle borders. There was not enough room for all of them, but I think I added the best ones. What I really love about the clear stamps are that they are sticky, and it's so easy to use them with an acrylic block. I would like to add kind of a focal image to this spread, and I have already some colored flowers laying around. They are from the Doodle Flowers stamp set, and I have colored them in with the Echo Line brush pens. I just go through them and have a look which one I like the most and where I want to put it. I'm going with the cone flower, but I think I will place it on the right side, and the reason is I like the left area so much that I don't want to cover it up, so I'm putting this flower just to the right. I had this word pretty in my pre-stamped word stash. I would say it's stamped, I believe, with a stamp from the Flowers Gone Wild stamp set, and I have embossed it in white to black cardstock, and I think this is a nice word to add to this page, and I just need this because I don't want the flower to be flying around on the page. I want to give it kind of an anchor to sit on. I'm using some wet glue to adhere the flower. And this is my page for today. I hope you like the video and you like my page. And I hope you are inspired. I wish you a wonderful weekend. Bye.